Sometimes, the simple act of stepping out with a camera becomes a journey in itself. Today, I'm wandering through Mississauga's Square One, one of those places that always feels alive, always shifting, always inviting you to slow down and take a closer look. As I walk through the bright corridors of Square One, I'm reminded that every city has a heartbeat, and malls like this one often reveal its rhythm. People shopping, families gathering, a sense of movement everywhere. But in all this busyness, there's a kind of beauty. Small moments, warm lights, and the feeling of discovering something familiar, yet new again. And whenever I'm here, there's one place I always drift toward. A place that feels quieter, softer, and somehow warmer. Indigo has this gentle charm, the kind that invites you to slow down, breathe, and wander without any rush. The moment you step inside, the world outside seems to soften. Books, warm lights, wooden shelves. Everything feels welcoming. I find myself pausing at displays, running my fingers along the covers, feeling the quiet energy of a space devoted to learning and imagination. Indigo isn't just a bookstore. It's an invitation to explore, to think, to feel inspired again. I've always loved places like this, not just because of the books, but because of what they represent. Curiosity, reflection, a moment for ourselves in a world that moves far too fast. As someone who values learning and culture, I often think about how reading shapes us. In Sikh wisdom, there's a simple idea. We grow when we seek understanding. And bookstores like this keep that journey alive, one page, one idea at a time. Stepping back into the mall, I'm reminded why I enjoy capturing these small explorations. Every place has a story. And sometimes all we need is a quiet walk, a camera, and a moment of curiosity to discover it. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this little wander, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More journeys await on KJ Strides at Wanderer.